Oh, back to the channel, everyone. We made it to North Dakota, and we're gonna be doing a little bit of pigeon hunting out here. We actually set up this morning, and it was pretty slow. We got a few pigeon, and then we're gonna go jump shoot now. So we're gonna drive around. There's a bunch of grain bins up here, and we're gonna go jump each one, and hopefully we can find some pigeon. I know a few of these bins are absolutely loaded. We did this last year up here. It's super fun, and some of the bins there's just a few pigeon, but all in all, we should be able to rack up a pretty big pile. So let's get right into it. All right, well, we just got to the first spot. We're gonna do a little jump shooting. We got Colin, Dustin, Mark. Gonna be ripping the old 20 gauge. Don't have to carry as much stuff out there. And we're going right back to the juice. I don't know if you guys remember last year, but last fall we hunted these and we absolutely beat on them. So we're gonna go right back into it. Hopefully we can pile them up. We're gonna get into position here. We're gonna try to be quiet as we can. Got some pigeons flying around.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Go for it, messed up.
Everyone got clobbered. Oh! Come on, Mark. No way. Oh!
Oh my goodness, look at all the feathers.
I know. I don't know how I missed that one, like right there. I know I nicked it. Nice.
Me and Sweer are just flapping over here. I think we've let 2 or 3 get away from us. And Mark and Dustin have been powdering them on the other side. Nice. Yep. Did you hear it?
I saw a lot of pigeons just get mowed there though.
Oh, I know.
All right, well, we just did some absolute work on those pigeons. Definitely missed a few that we should have definitely killed, but it was a little hectic trying to reload and keep firing. But just spot number 1, and we've got quite a few pigeons down. So we got Mark's dog out here. We got Mav, so he's gonna be running around picking up all these birds for us in this tall brush. All right, well, we got a little pile of pigeons from that spot. Not bad. It's tough to find them out there. The grass is so thick. We're gonna go to the next few spots.
Got like 20.
And we got a few more pigeons to definitely shoot. So I'm gonna let the dog take a little rest. He's been working hard this morning. Get right back at it. Look at these beautiful bins. All right. Load this puppy up. All right, we're set to go. This bin right here. Alright. Where they come out of the top?
I don't hear any cooing, but there's probably some here. They come out of like right here.
Alright.
Up here. Maybe I'll go up over here against the ladder. They're coming out.
I'm out of ammo.
More.
All right, well, that was a pretty good shoot. We got a few. Nice little stack of bins. We're gonna go hit another one, another little set. I know Mark's having a good time.
Oh yeah.
This guy lives for perch and pidge. All right, we're pulling up to our next spot here.
It's the best spot here, in my opinion.
There's a nice
They're already
light
getting
right
up.
here.
Oh, it's not loaded?
Right here.
All right, well, we're gonna get the guns loaded.
Oh my god.
It's gonna be a good time.
I'm ready. I'm ready. Oh.
Holy sh!
Ready.
There was.
White ones.
Coming out.
Oh, there's a whitey.
Yeah, I'm running out of ammo.
Race right there. I'm gonna go in.
Be safe, brother.
That white one guy.
Oh, that stinks. Yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah, I thought he was gonna be banded. Ready?
Look at that white.
Uh-huh.
Nice! I folded it!
Hey.
Look at that whitey. Oh!
Oh my god.
Throw that whitey out the door. He's walking out.
Oh, get that one. Oh, we just cleaned. 2. Hey.
Whoa! That's it. Yeah, right into your truck.
Doing? Oh, oh, click. There's 2 we can jump up like roosters right here. Yeah, that one. There's one more. My God.
I think I did.
That was a good bin. We just cleaned the house. I think everyone's finally getting dialed in. I just went through a whole pocket of shells right there. Woo!
We probably shot 50, I'd say.
Dude, we got a lot. We got a
stand
lot.
here, they'd come out.
All right.
You guys would
We're gonna start picking them up. See what we got. All right, not a bad stack. You got a bunch on the bed already. Woo wee! Oh yeah. Fly as it dies, buddy.
Dude, we all have handfuls of. Holy shit. Dude. This one is cool.
I know, that's a
Yeah,
nice
that's
one.
that gray brown one I was talking about.
Mav! Come here! All right, Mav found that one I shot yard out there. Hey, come here. Mav, drop. Leave it. Leave it. Oh yeah. Couldn't pass up the sky bust on that one. Practicing for Swan Lake later, bud.
Oh yeah.
All right, we're switching up. We're gonna rip the old 12, the old shot cam. Spot's looking pretty fire. We got water all the way around and a bunch of bins right in the middle. You can see those pigeons. I don't know if you can see them or not, but we shall load up.
Uh-oh. Mark's shooting the over-under at this spot.
All right, here we go. Holy shit, these things are hard to hit.
Yeah, those were tough.
Yeah, I missed like 6 shots in a row. Kill him. Woo! All right, well, them were tough. I'm pretty sure I whiffed like 6 in a row. I'm using a different gun. It's definitely a little heavier, but no excuses. Come out, nope. They come out like all at once, dude. All right, well, that spot was definitely a little tough. The birds came out flying downwind. They were diving down. Just overall, really tough shots. And there was a lot that came out right away. So we got a few there. We're gonna go hit a few more spots and hopefully we can keep racking them up. So I think we hit a lot of the good spots already. Next spots are, I think, have a little bit smaller population. Wind's picking up a little bit as well, but hopefully we can kill a few more pidge. Get back in the truck, keep grinding. That's probably it. Nope. I hear one. He did. Nice try, bucko. We got a few. They already threw a bunch back in the bed, but I was not in a very good spot. They were flying right over my head, so I kind of had to throw them over. Dustin definitely was clapping there. So next spot we go. Made it to the next spot. Just a single bin at this spot. See if there's any here. Dusted that thing. Get up, boy. Dustin. All right, well, we made it to our last destination. It started raining out, so we're just gonna wait out.
They're all going down.
I don't know if you guys can see all the pidge, probably not in the back, but
There's a whitey.
there's a whole bunch.
Yeah, I saw them.
Oh, they're going
There's
back.
a couple.
Oh yeah, they're going back into the bins.
Go in there.
Come on, boys.
Oh yeah.
So we definitely got some pidge to shoot. This is the last spot of the jump. One bin right back over here. Gonna wait for the rain to stop. Go shoot them up.
I'd say we should. I'm gonna pick up our shots.
All right, we're gonna go bang them up. Here we go. It's still sprinkling rain, but we're gonna send her. Oops. Hold on, let me load up.
Yeah, load up. Just like one bullet in at a time. Y'all get the white one?
I don't know, I didn't see it.
Seen it. See that white winger?
All right, I think we're good.
I'm loaded. I'm good.
God damn it. Sorry, Herb. I don't know. No, it landed on the windshield.
Come on.
Hey, well, that was a good one. They were rolling out thick there for a little bit. Had all right shooting. Definitely missed quite a few shots. But all in all, pretty solid shoot on the last jump. So we're gonna get everything cleaned up. I don't know, see what we all got going on, and we'll go from there.
That one out there. Damn. I thought this one was amazing. The last one? Yeah.
We got bodies everywhere.
I want to see that one.
All right. Well, we got a little pile. I'm gonna send the dog out. Hopefully, we can find a few more. But fantastic spot here. All right. Well, we made it out of our last spot that we jumped, and I'll show you what we got down. I don't know how many we got, but we got a lot. There's a whole bunch out here. We're gonna set them out as decoys now, and we're gonna set up in the field and do a little decoying. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video of the jump shoot. Hopefully there'll be a part 2 out of us decoying some. But until next time, catch you guys on the next one.